How to fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently on Windows 11. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, you can see the search box. Over there, type in View Network Connection and search for it. After it appears, open it. With that, a new window will open up. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of Wi-Fi. Right click on it and then head towards the option of Properties. Now go ahead and click on this option of Configure. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Click on this section of power management. Under that, you will find this option of allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck for this option and click on OK. Now I can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, again heading towards next solution. Again, click on this Wi-Fi option and head towards the option of properties. Now go ahead and click on this option of configure. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Under advanced, you will find the option of 802 in mode. For that, you have to put the value of disabled and then click on OK. Once you customize this setting, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, go ahead and click on your Wi-Fi. Then click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on the properties option. Now you will see this section of network profile. Under that, you will find the option of public or private. Set it to private. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently on Windows 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.